how are you doing today? This time I thought, because I promised I must keep it, so here is another video. Today I'll be showing you what all I got from Huda Beauty. So it is not a news if I say that I love Huda Beauty. I think everybody does. She is fabulous. The woman is gold. I just realized that this video is sounding like a complete fangirl kind of video, but anyhow, the mood of today's video is show you what all I got from Huda Beauty. So if you're wondering, then this is a press kit that was sent to me by Nykaa.com, because Huda just launched in India on Nykaa. Not just, but yes, it was a few months back, and this guy has been sitting with me since then. I did a few things on my Instagram. If you want, you can check them out. But yeah, so I bought a lot of products also post that, so everything is in here. Not everything from this box is sponsored or sent. I have bought a lot of these products. So let me show you what all I have from Huda, and I think I'm wearing a lot of Huda today. Anyhow, starting with the first thing that I also have on my face is my Huda Beauty foundation. Yeah, so I got it from this store in Khan Market, and I have it in color Butter Pecan 330N. I love it. As people say, it is full coverage and one pump is more than enough. I have it on my face today. I love it. I think I've already said that, but anyhow, I love the foundation. I wear it during the day. It looks really nice. I shear it out. I just take half a pump, I shear it out, and there's no need of concealer. Fabulous. If you have oily skin and if you really like full coverage foundations, this is fabulous. Best thing about this foundation is that if you take pictures, this actually looks like you have a soft light, or maybe you have just softened your skin. It photographs beautifully. And this is not a foundation review, so I will have to talk about this in detail a little later, but that is the first product. Then I have something I'm also wearing it today, which is this Huda Beauty highlighter palette. Look at that. First of all, did I mention that this packaging is fabulous? Even this packaging of the foundation is fabulous. It comes with a pump, and I have to say pump is really good. It's not that, you know, tacky kind of a pump. It's a really nice bottle. I love it. For the highlighter also, I love the packaging. It's so thoughtful of her. So I have it in the 3D highlighter. What color was that? I totally forgot. It's Golden Sands. I have it on my face. So I have applied this cream here. What is it called? It's called Fiji. So I have this on. Then I applied a little bit of this one. It is Seychelles on, and then I have a little bit of this blusher on my face today, and you can see the glow. So that is that. Then I also am wearing something that I cannot see. What the hell? So yes, I don't know where it went, but it's here. So I am wearing shadows from this one. It is Huda Beauty's Electric Obsessions, this little quad kind of a palette. So yeah, I think I have this color, this color, this color, this color. I love it. These shadows are highly pigmented. They look very good. You can see, let me show you a little close-up of this. So this is a little close-up of the shadows. I love everything about the woman. Her makeup is perfect, but above and beyond, I feel that, you know, she's a great human. I love how hardworking she is. So then that I have another palette, eyeshadow palette, which is called as Smokey Obsessions, and it totally broke in the while I was in the transit, so I cannot show it to you. Black color is all gone, but it's a beautiful okay, that's enough. So that is that. Then I have a few lashes also, because hello, Huda Beauty lashes are fabulous. Did I say Huda Beauty? Huda Beauty eyelashes are fabulous. So I have the first one, which I love. I wear them all the time. I have them on right now as well. So these are called as FARAH, and let me show you how they look. So this is FARAH eyelashes. I love them. Then another style that I have is called as CAMILLE. Is it CAMILLE? Number 6. This is CAMILLE number 6. Then we have LANA. Fun fact, I've heard that she has named these lashes after all the important women in her life. So yeah. Then what do we do first? Okay, let me do all these answers. Okay. So lip contours. Fabulous. I've been using them for past, I think, 4-5 months now. They are fantastic. I have them in these 4 colors, and let me show you. These are the 4 colors that I have already. I love my icon. Then this is, I think, yeah, this is Video Star. This one is, what's it called? Bombshell. And this one is, one second, Material Girl. So I have not used Material Girl, but I've used it as 3. Extremely creamy. I love them. I have matching lipsticks as well. I'm not going to waste your time by showing every single lipstick here, but let me show you them. Okay, so these are the lipsticks. This is Material Girl. It's very purpley and fabulous, super bold. That's my favorite one, which is the Icon. I wear it all the time. It is just the perfect color for any girl. Goes very well with my dusky Indian skin tone. So yeah, that is that. Then I also have this color Bombshell, which I am wearing as the base color today. It's a perfect nude. I love it. Then we have Video Star, which is perfect for spring and summer. It is a bright pink. 2 more lipsticks that I have been using, I think, for years now. So the first one is this one, what is it even called? I totally forgot. Oops, there's no Trendsetter. I love it. So this is the Trendsetter. I have it layered with my Bombshell today. It is one of my favorite colors, which I wear a lot. So this is the next color, which is Trophy White. Fabulous color. If you want something which is a little darker, but you don't want to go like bam out there, so this is a great color. Then there are 3 products which I haven't tried, but pretty excited. I have their lip strobes as well. I have 3 of them. So let me show you the colors. These are the colors. I have Shameless, which is a metallic kind of copper. Then there's Snobby, and there's BOUJEE. I am really excited for Shameless and BOUJEE, and I will keep you guys updated on how these guys go. Then I also have my Huda Beauty Lash Glue, and believe me when I say this stuff is fab. Like, I always use it, and it is hard to remove your lashes. So use it and you will never have the fear of your lashes flying away. So that is that. She was really gracious, and she did send me her Huda emoji, so I have that also. And that is it for my Huda haul. I hope you guys liked it. Let me tell you my favorite products. So my absolute favorite product is her foundation, that I cannot live without her eyelashes. And then my Trendsetter and my Icon, I love them. Then I do love using the highlighter palette as well. So if you are planning to buy a few things, I would say, first of all, you really need to start by buying her liquid lipsticks. And if you want to buy one, then I would say go for Trendsetter. That is ultimate. Second product is obviously foundation. And lastly, if you are really a beauty fanatic, then you should definitely try her lashes. They are really good quality, but a little expensive as well. So yeah, that is my haul and mini review on all the products. Let me know which product you like the most, or if you want to see a review of, and I will definitely do that for you guys. And yeah, keep safe, be happy, and hope you have a great day. Bye.